So, 99% we talked about the waste reduction, four times faster framing, delivery, reliable labor, free install. So, can you take us through some example, maybe a case study, if you want to? Yeah.
Yeah. So what's really interesting is we've had some of these, like in Arizona, where our first two plants, the first one is operating and the second one is under development, where these builders are taking a house and they'll say, okay, well here's our traditional house, and we build that, and then we go out and we build one for them, and they're side by side, and they go, okay, the one that you framed was it not only does it look totally different, but one of the biggest things that happens, we go out there, and here's part of our formula. We go out and we have technology where we draw all of everything that's going to happen in the house, the walls, the AC systems, the plumbing. We're going to draw that using robotic printing techniques on the slab. So we're not going to have a chalk line, which is what most people do. We're actually drawing all this. Then our team comes out with these components, all these walls. They put them up, and they're pre-drilled for plumbers. They're pre-drilled for electricians. They have lines on them for all the outlet boxes. We do all this stuff to set everybody up for a more perfect experience and a faster execution. And then what happens once it's framed and people go in and do the plumbing and the electric, there's no rework that has to happen. That virtually always happens where you have to tear walls out, or you have to move things around, or you have to shim them. We've eliminated the rework, which costs a ton of money. It's a budget line item for basically everything. Everything that's built has rework. We're taking that out of the equation. So not only does that save a ton of money, but it also saves a ton of time, and everything is predictable. If we say we're going to frame a house on January 15th, they can plan their other people January 16th, because we know how long it's going to take, and we execute that efficiently. It's like Toyota building a 4Runner in their plant. They know exactly how many minutes it's going to take, and we've gotten it down to the point where we can tell exactly what day it's going to be done, and it's very fast, and you don't have the elements, the rain, the snow, the wind, messing with the actual material, because we're so fast, and they can go and start doing the rest of it right after. So that changes the entire equation for all of the subs, for the builder, and saves a ton of money. And it's literally a reimagining of the entire system, and the whole industry is following our lead.